Hey everybody, if you want to see these two incredible products that I found at the dollar store today, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well, and for those of you who are new, I am Mandy and welcome to my channel. Alright guys, so like I said, today I was in Family Dollar and I could not believe that I found these two products. I picked them up thinking I'm going to get them home and they're going to be trash because they're so cheap. Well, it turns out they are really incredible. So guys, let's go ahead and jump into that video. Alright guys, like I said, no, I did bring these two products home. Didn't really have high hopes for them, but I'm telling you, they are working better than most of my high-end products, and I could not believe it. So I did have to make a video to tell y'all about this because they are so incredibly cheap. You know, I like saving my gals some money. Alright guys, now the first one is a bronzer, and I mean, I'm so obsessed with makeup, and bronzer is one of my favorite makeup items. This is their Shimmer Bronzer. Now, this is LA Colors that are putting out these products. I really do think that they are trying to make their products a lot more high quality, and I think they're doing a really great job at it. I mean, I couldn't believe it when I brought them home, like I said. Now, this one does need a little bit of work. This is one of their bronzers, or it's a shimmer bronzer, and it is in shade Radiant. Now, it does have a little sun in the middle, which was packed full of glitter. So I did scrape the top to get most of that glitter off. Now, it was like a gold glitter, but after I scraped that off, I found that the product was perfect. I also figured it might be a little bit too dark for my skin tone, but it is just the perfect color shade. And the shimmer, once you get all that glitter off, not unless you like a lot of glitter in your bronzer, then this is perfectly, leave the top on it. But if not, you can scrape the top, and it turns out that this little bronzer is going to be used a lot more. I found it to blend beautifully. Now, these products are very soft and buttery, and there's not really a lot of kick up. I mean, it really did surprise me. Now, this bronzer was $3, guys. $3. I got just a perfect bronzer, and I love it, and this is going to go in my everyday makeup bag. Now, I will insert pictures and swatches and all that. Now, the next one that I got is a contouring, I think it's contouring palette. Now, again, this is LA Colors, and this is a contour and a highlight. Now, the contour I found to be a perfect cool tone shade, and I figured it would be a little bit too dark for me, but it wasn't. It blended out. Now, when I first put the line on, it was a little bit darker than I like, but it blended out beautifully, and I really love the cool tone shade to it. It leaves the perfect shadow. Now, this highlight, this is not one of those popping, blinging that's going to blind everybody highlights. So if you are more into the natural looks, I think that this would be the perfect highlight for you. I just love it. Now, it can build up, and you can get it kind of blingy, but this is more for natural looks, but I love it. I absolutely love it. And this was actually, I got this on sale for $2. Normal price for this is $3, but I did get it on sale for $2. And again, I found these two products at Family Dollars. I think y'all should really give these products a try. Like I said, I think LA Colors I think they are revamping their brand. I think they are doing a great job. I did want to make a quick video and get on here and let y'all know about these two products because they absolutely surprised the heck out of me. So I had to get on here and tell everybody. So guys, if you enjoyed seeing this review, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you, and I'll see you next video. Bye.